Penguins are known for their fascinating behaviors both on land and in the water. As social animals, they exhibit a range of behaviors that allow them to communicate, bond, and survive in their environments. One of the most striking behaviors of penguins is their courtship rituals. These rituals involve preening, calling, and other displays of affection between mates. Some species, such as the emperor penguin, engage in elaborate courtship dances that involve bowing, calling, and flapping their wings. This helps to strengthen the bond between mates and ensure successful breeding. Penguins also exhibit a range of behaviors related to foraging and feeding. They are skilled swimmers and divers, and can swim up to 22 miles per hour 35 kilometers per hour to catch fish, krill, and other prey. Some species, such as the gentoo penguin, will use their flippers to porpoise out of the water, allowing them to cover greater distances while foraging. Penguins also have adaptations that allow them to drink saltwater, such as a gland above their eyes that filters out excess salt. On land, penguins exhibit a distinctive waddling gait, which is due to their body structure and the way they hold their flippers. They also engage in a range of behaviors that help them to stay warm and dry, such as huddling together in large groups to conserve body heat, preening their feathers to keep them waterproof, and using rocks and other materials to build nests. Penguins also exhibit playful behaviors, such as sliding on their bellies, engaging in marching rituals, and interacting with each other through vocalizations and body language. These behaviors not only serve a social function, but also help to keep penguins physically and mentally stimulated in their environments. In terms of communication, penguins use a range of vocalizations and body language to convey information to each other. They have distinctive calls that allow them to identify their mates and offspring, as well as warn each other of potential danger. They also use scent marking to communicate their presence to other penguins. Overall, penguins are fascinating animals that exhibit a range of behaviors related to survival, social bonding, communication, and playfulness. Their behaviors are essential to their ability to thrive in their environments, and offer a glimpse into the complex social lives of these beloved birds. Penguins play an important role in marine ecosystems and are considered to be keystone species, meaning that they have a disproportionate impact on the ecosystem relative to their abundance. As a predator species, penguins help to maintain the balance of the food chain by consuming small prey and providing food for larger predators. One of the main ways in which penguins contribute to marine ecosystems is through their consumption of krill. Krill are small, shrimp-like crustaceans that are a primary food source for many marine animals, including whales, seals, and birds. By consuming krill, penguins help to regulate their populations, which in turn affects the entire food chain. Penguins also play a key role in the nutrient cycling of marine ecosystems. When penguins consume prey, they excrete waste that contains nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients are important for the growth of phytoplankton, which forms the base of the marine food chain. By excreting nutrients into the water, penguins help to support the growth of phytoplankton, which in turn supports the growth of other marine animals. In addition to their ecological role, penguins are also important indicators of the health of marine ecosystems. Because penguins are sensitive to changes in their environment, such as changes in sea surface temperature or availability of prey, their population numbers and behaviors can provide valuable information about the health of marine ecosystems. By monitoring penguin populations, scientists can gain insights into the impacts of climate change, pollution, and other environmental stressors on marine ecosystems. However, penguins are also vulnerable to the effects of human activities such as overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction. In some regions, penguin populations have declined significantly due to these threats. Conservation efforts, such as the establishment of protected areas and reduction of plastic waste in oceans, are essential for ensuring the survival of penguins and the health of marine ecosystems more broadly. Overall, Penguins play a vital role in marine ecosystems as predators, nutrient cyclers, and indicators of ecosystem health. By protecting penguin populations and their habitats, we can help to ensure the health and resilience of marine ecosystems for generations to come. Penguins are highly adapted to their aquatic environment and have a number of physical characteristics that enable them to thrive in cold, nutrient-rich waters. One of the most notable features of penguins is their streamlined body shape, which allows them to move efficiently through water. They have webbed feet that are adapted for swimming and diving, and their wings have evolved into flippers that help them to propel themselves through the water. Penguins are also covered in a thick layer of feathers that help to keep them warm and dry in their cold, wet environments. These feathers are highly specialized, with different types of feathers serving different functions such as insulation, waterproofing, and aerodynamics. For many cultures, penguins hold a significant spiritual significance. The indigenous people of southern Chile and Argentina, for example, believe that penguins are the spirits of their ancestors, and treat them with great respect and reverence. Similarly, the Maori people of New Zealand view penguins as sacred animals, and believe that they have a spiritual connection to the land and sea. In other cultures, penguins are associated with characteristics such as resilience, determination, and adaptability. Because of their ability to survive and thrive in harsh, unforgiving environments, penguins are often seen as symbols of strength and perseverance. Some cultures also associate penguins with playfulness and humor, due to their comical appearance and playful behaviors. In addition to their spiritual significance, penguins have also been a source of inspiration for art and literature. The classic children's book, Mr. Popper's Penguins, by Richard and Florence Atwater, for example, tells the story of a man who adopts a group of penguins and the adventures that ensue. Similarly, the film, March of the Penguins, has become a beloved documentary that chronicles the incredible journey of emperor penguins in Antarctica. Overall, the physical and spiritual aspects of penguins are fascinating and complex. Their physical adaptations enable them to thrive in challenging environments, while their spiritual significance and cultural symbolism have made them beloved animals around the world.